Welcome to my channel with Sudeshna. In this channel, I generally give videos on how to boost the creativity of your kids, how to increase or enhance the problem solving skill of your kids, and I generally discuss a lot of aspects like anxiety, all those pressing issues what we face in our life, our kids face in our life. So it's a channel for all your family member. I would say it's mainly for kids, but if we don't start any good initiative which is required for our kids also will not start. So if that's why I generally give emphasis that you first start, you practice, and then you tell your kids to do. So till now, if you're watching, then please subscribe to my channel. Generally, I post 3-4 videos in a week, and even if I don't post, you can go and check my previous videos. So there are many videos which will be useful for your personal life, your business life, your office life, and for your kids. So I hope you would like this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.